Hi everyone, Blanche here and welcome to my vlog. So to those of you who doesn't know, I'm a pastry baker, a pastry hobbyist, a baking enthusiast, and whatever you want to call it. I just love baking. I 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 just love baking. I just love the idea of different ingredients mixed together into creating a beautiful cake. There's just an endless possibilities in baking, and that's one of the reasons why I fell in love with creating cakes. And you can relate it to how God created the world. Out of nothing, He created something out of nothing, and that's why the idea of creation really leaves me in awe and in wonder. So today, we are going to make a cake. I'm gonna make a custom shaped cake in shape of a cat's face. So if you want to learn to make this cake, or even if you're just curious on how to do this, please continue watching. Let's go! So what we will be needing at the moment is some buttercream in mocha flavor and dark moist chocolate cake. We need a knife, a spatula, cake board, and our turntable. So I think we are all set and we are ready to shape the cake. So here's the cat that we made. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm just gonna add a hat and we're good to go. So there you have it, our finished product of our all-edible custom-formed cat cake. I hope you enjoyed the video and please don't forget to hit subscribe.